How to use if PC Home Insurance Finland properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. If PC Home Insurance is a leading choice in Finland, but many homeowners make simple mistakes that can cost them thousands. The surprising truth is that having a policy isn't enough. You need to know how to use it correctly. One of the most common mistakes is underestimating coverage. Rising construction and renovation costs mean your home and belongings might be underinsured. If a claim arises, you could be left covering the difference yourself. Review your sums insured regularly and adjust for renovations, valuable items, or new appliances. Neglecting liability protection is another trap. If PC policies include personal liability coverage, reducing limits to save money can leave you exposed if someone is injured on your property, or if you accidentally damage a neighbor's home. Ensuring adequate liability coverage is essential for full protection. Failing to update your policy is another big mistake. Life changes like moving, remodeling, or purchasing new items affect your coverage needs. Not notifying if PC may lead to delayed or denied claims, which is exactly what you want to avoid in an emergency. Many homeowners also miss out on discounts. If PC offers savings for bundling policies, installing approved security systems, or maintaining a claims-free record, ignoring these opportunities can cost hundreds of euros each year. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can slow or reduce your payout. Always document damages thoroughly, report incidents promptly, and communicate clearly with your claims advisor. Being proactive ensures faster settlements and smoother processing. By avoiding these mistakes, you can maximize if PC Home Insurance Finland. Make sure your coverage reflects your home's true value, maintain sufficient liability protection, update your policy regularly, take advantage of discounts, and understand the claims process. Following these steps ensures your insurance works effectively, giving you peace of mind and full protection for your home.